Psoriasis can be a persistent and unwelcome presence in your life, disrupting both your physical comfort and emotional well-being. This chronic skin condition, which can also affect other parts of your body like your joints, often feels like an uninvited guest that refuses to leave. But here's the good news. Understanding the role of diet in psoriasis management can be a crucial step towards taking control of this challenging condition. Imagine your body as a finely tuned machine, with every part playing a vital role in its smooth operation. Just like a car needs various components to run smoothly, your body thrives on a diverse mix of essential nutrients. What you eat plays a pivotal role in how psoriasis behaves in your body. Certain foods can exacerbate inflammation and trigger those frustrating flare-ups, while others have anti-inflammatory properties that can offer relief. In this journey, we're going to delve deep into the impact of diet on psoriasis and discover specific foods and habits that can aid in managing this condition. However, remember that dietary changes are beneficial when done right, but they should always complement your overall treatment plan, not replace it. The key is finding the right balance and listening to your body to determine what works best for you. Join our psoriasis management journey on YouTube and subscribe to our channel for regular updates and valuable insights on taking control of your health and happiness. Let's conquer psoriasis together. Now, let's meet some of those potential troublemakers. Processed foods are often the culprits, filled with trans fats and refined sugars that can fan the flames of inflammation in your body. Think about fast food, packaged snacks, and sugary beverages. They might taste great but can make your psoriasis symptoms worse. Red meats, such as beef and pork, with their high saturated fat content, could be pro-inflammatory. Full-fat dairy products can also promote inflammation in some individuals. And let's not forget those sugary beverages, like soda. They're basically refined sugar bombs that can wreak havoc on your body. Excessive alcohol consumption can be detrimental too, as it increases inflammation and can even interfere with your medications. But here's the twist. Everyone's psoriasis journey is unique. While dairy might be a trigger for some, it won't be the same for others. Some individuals find that nightshade vegetables like tomatoes, potatoes, and eggplants can aggravate their symptoms. So it's important to be your own detective, monitoring how your body responds to different foods and making informed decisions. Balancing your diet isn't just about cutting things out. It's about embracing a variety of nutrients. Think of your body as a complex machine, like a well-oiled engine. Just as a car needs various components to run smoothly, your body thrives on a diverse mix of essential nutrients. Now, let's talk about the good stuff. Fruits and vegetables are like nature's superheroes, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that combat inflammation and boost your immune system. Aim to make half your plate a colorful array of fruits and veggies to ensure you're getting a diverse intake of these vital nutrients. Lean proteins such as chicken, turkey, fish, and plant-based options like lentils and chickpeas are essential for tissue repair and maintaining a healthy immune system. Whole grains like brown rice, oatmeal, and whole grain bread are full of fiber, which aids digestion and helps you feel satisfied for longer, reducing the temptation to overeat. Maintaining a balanced diet doesn't have to be overwhelming. Consider a couple of tricks to make it easier. Meal planning can be a game changer. By mapping out your meals in advance, you ensure you're getting a variety of foods and nutrients. Portion control is also key. It's not just what you eat, but how much you eat. Opt for smaller plates and bowls to keep those portions in check. And don't be afraid to leave a little food on your plate if you're satisfied. But the journey to managing psoriasis doesn't stop with diet alone. There are several other steps you can take to effectively manage your condition. Regular moisturization. Use moisturizers to keep your skin hydrated. Dry skin can worsen psoriasis symptoms, so keeping the skin moisturized can provide significant relief. Avoiding triggers. Identify and avoid specific triggers that worsen your psoriasis. These triggers can vary widely among individuals and may include stress, certain medications, infections, or injuries to the skin. UV therapy. Some individuals find relief from psoriasis symptoms through controlled exposure to natural sunlight or phototherapy. However, this should always be done under medical supervision. Medications. Depending on the severity of your psoriasis, your healthcare provider may prescribe topical treatments, oral medications, or biologics. It's crucial to follow your prescribed treatment plan consistently. Stress management. Stress can be a significant trigger for psoriasis flare-ups. Practicing stress reduction techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises can help manage symptoms. Support groups. Joining a psoriasis support group or seeking therapy can be beneficial for your emotional well-being. Connecting with others who understand your experiences can provide valuable support and coping strategies. Professional guidance. Regularly consult with your dermatologist or healthcare provider to monitor your condition's progress and adjust your treatment plan as needed. They can offer personalized advice and treatments tailored to your specific needs. Lifestyle choices. Adopting a healthy lifestyle can complement your psoriasis management efforts. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep can contribute to your overall well-being. Avoiding smoking and excessive alcohol. Smoking and heavy alcohol consumption can worsen psoriasis symptoms. Quitting smoking and moderating your alcohol intake can have a positive impact on your condition. Patience and self-care. Managing psoriasis is a journey that requires patience. Be kind to yourself and practice self-care. Prioritize your well-being, both physically and emotionally. In addition to these steps, there are a few more considerations to enhance your psoriasis management journey through diet. Hydration. Staying well hydrated is essential for overall skin health. Water helps maintain your skin's moisture and elasticity, which can be particularly beneficial for individuals with psoriasis. Remember to drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day. Limiting trigger foods. While we've discussed foods that can be problematic, it's essential to recognize that specific triggers can vary among individuals. Keeping a food journal can be incredibly helpful in tracking your dietary choices and any potential links between certain foods and psoriasis flare-ups. Incorporate gut-friendly foods. Emerging research suggests a connection between gut health and psoriasis. Including probiotic-rich foods like yogurt or fermented foods like kimchi in your diet may positively impact gut flora and, in turn, skin health. Mindful eating. Pay attention to how you eat, not just what you eat. Stress can exacerbate psoriasis symptoms for many individuals. Practicing mindful eating, reducing stress, and adopting relaxation techniques can be beneficial. Consult a healthcare provider. While dietary changes can be helpful, they should always complement your overall treatment plan. Consult with your healthcare provider or dermatologist to discuss any dietary adjustments you plan to make. They can provide guidance tailored to your specific needs and help you monitor your progress. Holistic approach. Managing psoriasis often requires a holistic approach. Alongside diet, consider other lifestyle factors like regular exercise, adequate sleep, and stress management to further support your well-being. In closing, the power of diet in managing your psoriasis lies in its ability to bring balance to your life. It's not about rigid restrictions or eliminating entire food groups. It's about making informed choices. The journey of managing psoriasis may have its challenges, but with the right diet and lifestyle changes, you can take control and stride towards a healthier, happier life. So, as you embark on this journey, remember that you hold the reins. With every bite of nourishing, anti-inflammatory foods and each decision to steer clear of triggers, you're paving the way towards relief and well-being. Psoriasis is a part of your life, but it doesn't define it. It's a journey, and you're the fearless explorer. Take that first step with confidence, and may your path be filled with the vibrant colors of health and happiness. Remember, when it comes to managing psoriasis, it's not just about what you eat, but what you eat wisely. Stay healthy, everyone.